see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning! Oh, okay.
This talking turn for this turn. Potato, carrot. What's this? Bawang. And we have, what's this? Booyahs. So we're doing it for this talking for spoon and for this one talking for that. So we're doing a talking. We're happy talk now. And so this was piece. So with this they say a bigger one walk away. So we're doing a shadow way. Doing this one. So we're doing this for why we did doing this one. So yeah. It's one that is for the walk away. With this one they walk away. And now this one you do. And this one, potato. And this potato. And this soft with this one. What's this one? What's this? Football. So this football is. And we have tablet. So they have tablet. And we're doing this one. 8 tablet, this one for 5. And so when this spoon like this, I buy it. And so we're doing this with spoon. So this was cooking one day. So we're doing this one with the melon. So yeah, this one is for cooking. I know it's that. Let's open it. Bye. Hey, no, don't turn enough. And sorry, this one Bible. Oh, this is Boyas. But this Boyas, so yeah. We're doing this channel way, doing actually the spoon for me. This one, broccoli, sorry, this one is broccoli. Big broccoli with coffee. To eat broccoli for fungi, happy. So we're doing this one to do. And Daddy says in a boat, so taking fish. So we're doing this core, in the dough for doing this one to do. What's this way they do? Make a phone. Daddy, it's this the theme, and I'm not have this broccoli. I want to pink this broccoli, and I want a pink broccoli. So I want blue broccoli, I want pink broccoli, we want green broccoli, and I want pink. That's blue broccoli, that's pink broccoli, that's green broccoli. We want green broccoli, what did I do? My broccoli yet. My broccoli wrote that. Last This was a way this one so it's a ton. And we have bawang. And have buyas. And have thank you see my big bag. Thank you. Bye. I like to eat. I like how to eat. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like how to eat. Hi, I want to say that I like to eat. I like to eat. This is how it is. That's how it. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to eat. And this is how it's sorry. Broccoli, potato, bawang, buyas, bawang, watermelon, lemon, corn. This is carrot, and this is carrot. Hi, sure that is. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to eat my coffee. What's it in the bowl? What's it in the bowl? What's it in the bowl? Why do I take? What's it in the bed? Why do I take the bowl? Take my coffee. Take my coffee. What's it in the bowl? Why do I take the bowl? What's it in the bed? Why do I take the bowl? What's in it? What's in the bed? Why do I take the bowl? And then I show that to him. I like cooking. I like cooking. I like to eat. 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 La 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 la, baby. Mommy shot. Grandpa shot. Grandpa shot. Grandpa shot. Grandpa shot. Grandpa shot. Grandpa shot. Take my honey. Put it in the bed. Why do I take the book? Finish.
Thank you. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to Chona'S.
My kids.
Chona'S?
Show my tissue.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Chona'S Kitchen. So, ayan, finally, eto na yung pangalawa nating channel na request nyo na kung pwede raw akong gumawa ng isang channel na puro lang cooking vlog. So, ayan guys, eto na. Sana supportahan nyo rin tong pangalawa kong channel kung paano nyo sinuportahan yung Chona and my
Show my kids.
That's right. So, dito sa channel to guys, hindi ko sinasabi na ito ay healthy version. Ito lang ay isi-share ko lang sa inyo kasi maraming may gusto sa inyo na i-share ko daw yung mga niluluto ko dito sa bahay. Do you like Mommy's cookie?
Yeah, for your food.
Oh, masarap?
Yes.
Yes. So, yun guys. Yun, may share ko na sa inyo kung paano din ako magluto. Kasi lahat naman tayo, iba-ibang version ng pagluluto. So, sa akin, eto naman yung version ko dito sa bahay. And, siguro mag-upload ako once a week or twice a week. Depende kung hindi tayo busy. But, yeah, so sana masuportan nyo. Send ko na ako ng mga clips ng mga nailuto ko na para meron kayong idea na kung ano ba makikita nyo dito sa channel ko na mga lulutuin ko. And also, makikita nyo rin tong aking assistant kasi mayroon din tayong baking. Right, Baba?
Yes.
Do you wanna bake?
Yeah.
Yes. She's tired now. Announce na siya. So, yun guys. Thank you!
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Please like, please subscribe to our new channel. Bye! Thank you! Okay, so this is Mommy Chona. Hi guys!
Hi, this is my show and my mommy.
No, this is Mommy Chona and this is Holly. Guys, this is Mommy Chona and this is Holly. Hi guys! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi! You can just
Hi!
say, this is Mommy Chona and this is Holly. Welcome
This
to
Mommy this is Holly.
Okay.
And this Mommy
Chona. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hi! Ha! Okay, ready guys? Let's go. Hi! Welcome. Sorry. Yes. Mommy, wrong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi! Welcome. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready?
Hi!
Go.
Hi!
Go. Are you ready? Okay. Bye. Hi! Welcome to Chona'S Kitchen. Please subscribe. Thank you. Hi! Welcome to Chona'S Kitchen. Please subscribe. Thank you. I love you. Hi. Welcome to Chona'S Kitchen. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, love. Yes. Aquarian
Flying,
Jan 05.
Junction 05.
Like
Lot
a Lois.
Alois.
Corelli
Coeli,
Gabito.
Capito,
Maricho
Marjo,
Orapa.
Rapa,
Christy
Christy,
Majos.
Majo. Come get right, have to turn for kids for a shot. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause